dos, tres.
Everybody, happy to see you on Happy Channel. Woohoo!
Today, I would like to open my gift. I received my gift 6 months ago on my birthday. I think it is a good time for me to open it. I would like to share it with you. Maybe it can help you decide before you go out and buy one.
Alright, it is time for Happy Open. Here we go! The double G as a keyboard, reversal of the house signature.
Emblem is introduced with a torchon design for P4 2018. The twisted effect lends dimension to the leather belt, finished with a metal loop. Gold tone hardware GG Marmin texture torsion double G mental buckle texture torsion mental loop
Buckle 1.89W part 1.5H. Okay, I think this is enough information. Here we go. Time for me to reveal it.